Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to make all public posts private on your Facebook, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Facebook application, then you have to access your menu. Then from here you just need to tap on this gear icon to access your settings. Now scroll down until you find activity log option. Now tap on it. From here you just need to find your public post. Just simply tap on public post and you'll find all the public posts that you have made on your Facebook account. From here you just need to scroll all the way down until you find all the videos and photos. Then you just need to select all the posts from here. When all the posts are loaded in this list, you can simply tap on this all checkbox here. Just simply tap on it to select all the post here. Then after select all the posts, you just need to tap on this three dot button. Now from here you will find the change audience. Tap on it and then you can tap on change audience, and from here you can see three options like public, friends and only me. You have to choose only me to hide or make private all these public posts that you have made on your Facebook account. Now simply tap on change and it will make all the public post to private post on your Facebook account. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.